In the event that you suffer from the problem of increasing your weight continuously and for no apparent reason, and even though you avoid eating junk food and are keen to exercise regularly, this may be an indication that your daily routine is the cause. Some believe that following a diet and exercise routine are the only way to get rid of excess weight, but that the routine of life greatly interferes with the process of losing weight. And many daily habits at night may hinder this process and even get you to gain more kilograms. Today in this video, we will learn the most prominent daily night habits that hinder the process of losing weight. Number 1. Going to bed late. When the body does not get enough sleep, hunger hormones are greatly affected, which can mess with the body's ability to determine when it's really hungry, when to stop burning calories, and when to store energy in the form of fat. The stress hormone, cortisol, increases due to staying up and stress, which affects blood sugar levels and leads to an increase in appetite for sweets, which cause weight gain. Number 2. Browse the internet. Yes, that's right. Looking at the phone or computer screen and browsing the internet for a long time immediately before going to sleep can hinder the natural process of calming the body by suppressing the hormone melatonin that causes sleep. And as a result, sleep becomes more difficult. And when insomnia controls and the body does not get enough sleep, the rate of burning becomes difficult to get rid of the extra weight. Number 3. Caffeine. Drinking coffee, tea, soft water, eating chocolates and sweets, and any food or drink that contains varying percentages of caffeine impede the process of sleep, which causes difficulty in losing extra kilograms. So this must be replaced by eating fruits and drinking herbal drinks that can help calm the body and enjoy a deep sleep. Number 4. Eating spicy foods. Eating spicy foods such as cayenne pepper or spices may actually boost the metabolism and contribute to weight loss. But eating them before bedtime helps increase blood flow in the body, which keeps the body active and makes it difficult to relax and sleep that the body needs. This negatively affects weight and causing gaining more kilograms. Number 5. Sleeping on an empty stomach. Sleeping on an empty stomach leads to a different problem, as hunger pains can keep the brain in a state of high alert, which prevents a good night's sleep, and this causes the body to produce a lot of the hormone ghrelin, which can enhance the appetite and disrupt the body's natural hunger signals. Thus, it harms the process of losing weight. Number 6. Sleeping for long periods. In the event that the individual does not get enough sleep, the body is likely to secrete the hormone cortisol as a kind of response to stress and tension, and that hormone causes an increase in appetite, which in turn leads to weight gain. Sleeping for long periods has health consequences for the individual as well, as a recent scientific study conducted by the American Scientific Journal PLOS ONE found that sleeping for more than 10 hours at night can lead to a high body mass index, and for this reason, doctors recommend sleeping for a period of time. It ranges from 7 to 9 hours a day. Number 7. Getting ready to go to work or school in the dark. It is necessary for the individual to open the curtains of his room immediately after waking up from sleep, as a study published in the journal PLOS ONE showed that the light waves from the sun in the early morning help to increase metabolism and increase the activity of the body. It is worth noting that exposure to daylight for a period of 20 to 30 minutes is sufficient to affect BMI. Number 8. Not making the bed. Although this may seem strange to some, a study conducted by the National Sleep Foundation of the United States found that people who make their beds get better sleep than others, and in the end, getting a healthy sleep is the best way to reach to a healthy weight. Number 9. Forgetting to measure your body weight. Researchers from Cornell University of America have proven that measuring body weight on a daily basis is a successful technique that encourages weight loss. The best time to do this is in the morning before eating or drinking anything, because the individual loses water weight during the night and thus gets the most accurate reading of his weight at the time. Number 10. Eating a small amount of food for breakfast. A scientific study confirmed that it is necessary for a person to have a delicious meal in the morning, indicating that a balanced breakfast will make it easier for you to follow a special daily diet plan. Number 11. Going to bed immediately after eating dinner. You should eat dinner 2 hours before going to bed, because eating food and then going to bed directly leads to digestive problems and affects the metabolism, thus helping to convert the calories that you ate during the meal into body fat. Number 12, eating fried foods for dinner. Eating fried foods is one of the main reasons that lead to weight gain, especially if you eat them in the evening, as they contain a high percentage of calories which the body cannot burn during sleep, so it stores them in the body in the form of fat, and you can replace fried foods with baked or grilled foods. Number 13, eat sweets before bed. Desserts, such as cake, contain flour and sugar, which makes them high in calories, which need a long time to burn. So eating sweets at night increase your weight very quickly. So you can replace sweets with fresh fruits. Number 14, thinking a lot before bed. One of the reasons that lead to feeling emotional hunger is a lot of thinking before bed about things that are difficult to solve, such as work problems, problems that the individual faces with a life partner, or other problems that a person is unable to find a solution to at the present time, which leads him to feel the desire to eating, even though he really does not need to eat at that time. Number 15, having too much free time. After completing the housework, finishing the study, or finishing the office work, and save time to do nothing during the night, some people do not find anything to do except go to the refrigerator to eat without the real feeling of hunger. Rather, food is eaten just to spend free time, which leads to weight gain and obesity. Number 16, spending time with others late at night. It is okay to spend time with others, such as relatives or friends, but this may be one of the reasons that lead to weight gain because of the difficulty of controlling what is eaten, because of the lack of healthy choices and the large number of high-calorie foods, as well as the insistence of others to eat. Just a small bite of food will not affect your weight. Number 17, not preparing the lunch for the following day. Spending the night without preparing the lunch that will be eaten is one of the bad nighttime habits that lead to the inability to control weight gain, and open options to eating unhealthy foods with high calories due to busy work or studying. Number 18, keeping food within reach at night. Having food on hand during the night, regardless of the quality of the food, in terms of being healthy food or not, leads to the introduction of more calories into the body through repeated eating. Eating late at night is bad because the fat burning process is not as powerful at night, and the longer you are awake will increase your appetite. Number 19, ordering food at night. Ready food, despite its ease of obtaining it, causes a significant increase in weight, especially when eating it at night. It is difficult to tell which ingredients have been put in the food, and also how it was prepared. It is also difficult to know the fat and sodium percentages inside the food. It is also due to the good seasoning of the food, which gives it flavor, aroma, and a delicious taste, as it pushes the individual to not be satisfied, but rather to eat more food. Well, there you have it. 19 bad habits making you fat while you sleep. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos in the future. Also, don't miss those amazing videos popping up on your screen right now. You won't regret clicking away.